Good morning, people, and welcome to this wonderful Sunday morning. I've not got a video for you tonight, and I'm panicking a bit. I'm trying to get something together. It's just going to be a mishmash of nothing, if anything. Let's start. Can you remember them turkey steaks I nearly got, and they were 75 pence? I wanted them with the Sunday lunch, and Mazzy wouldn't let me. Well, we bought some the day after, and I had some. Here they are in a bun, just to show you what they look like. Another video finished for you. Look at my sandwiches. I needed to show you these because that is the ham and cheese wedges. You know what I mean? The ham and cheese, Bernard Matthews. Mazzy has her own little style. She makes them like a KFC with mayonnaise and lettuce. And this is one of them turkey steaks. Trying to tell me that wouldn't go with a Sunday lunch? You're having a laugh. That looks beautiful. Really beautiful. Now, I have to be honest, they're not as nice as I remember them when I was younger. They tasted a bit processed. But, you know, they were alright. They're alright. Next thing I want to talk about is... this thing on the dashboard. I did point this out in a video, and, you know, a few people said it's a clipboard, and I do remember it was a clipboard now. Unfortunately, it isn't a clipboard for us. It doesn't lift up, which is a pain, really. To me, that's a waste of space. They could have had two cup holders there. That only works if you haven't got an airbag in the passenger side. So there must be something under there to do with the airbag, which is annoying. You know, just so Mazzy's safe, I can't have a clipboard. I think that's a bit inconsiderate, really. So no clipboard, no cup holders, no nothing. That is just a complete and utter waste of space. I suppose you could lay pieces of paper in there, but it's not the same, is it? And there was rather a special moment yesterday where Dan did fix something. Can you remember my cigar lighter wasn't working, and we came to the conclusion it was probably a fuse, but we weren't 100% sure. But we didn't have a fuse. We got a fuse. We got a fuse. Here it is. Here's what's going on.
You're looking very pleased.
I am.
And
Look,
why?
Look what I've got.
What you got?
Your sister brought them for me.
Yay!
10 amp fuses. You know what that means, don't you?
You're going to tackle that job again.
I'm going to fix a problem.
Yeah?
Now, I don't know if this is a first for this channel, but I am actually going to fix something. So, come with me, Mazzy. I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna make our cigar lighter work again.
Yay! Thanks, babe.
Now, it took me about an hour yesterday. It should take me about 2 minutes today, because I know exactly what I'm doing. I need to take this off. Now, I didn't tighten them fully yesterday, so that I could take this off easily today. This is the hardest part of the job, getting this off. It's really strangely put on, and this is always in the way.
Oh yeah. Can't you undo that then?
No, it's a pain. I just have to wiggle it out. So
Let me get round the other side.
I've got enough out now. If you can see in there, there's an empty one. That's where I left it out.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So I'm going to take one of my brand new 10 amp fuses. Look at that.
They're micro ones, aren't they, almost?
Yeah, they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I've never seen anything as nice in my life. So I'm just going to stick that in there. That is fully stuck in there. I've got a spare. I don't need to... No, I'll keep that with my toolbox. So now I just need to put the cover back on, and I've fixed a problem, I think.
You've got to test it.
I've got to test it. I can't wait. So here goes. I've got my inverter here. Now, a little green light will come on there if it works.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'll take the cigar lighter out. This is so exciting for me. Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's see.
It works!
Oh
It works! I fixed something, Mazzy! I fixed the motorhome! I've got everything working properly!
Yay! And you didn't use Gorilla Glue or tape?
I didn't use anything apart from my skill and my knowledge and mechanical skills. I am so proud of myself. I have fixed a cigar lighter
Honey, I'm so proud
Thank
of
you very much.
You're the
Honestly,
best.
I'm really proud of myself as well. I really am. So absolutely 100% buzzing about fixing that. And then a few people said, you know, whilst you were looking at these things, working out the seat goes in all different directions, you've got a round thing up there, Dan. That reclines your seat. Indeed it does. So after all that, we've found it. I think the reason I couldn't find it at the time, I'm guessing this was over it and I just couldn't see it. I don't know. I've looked in the handbook. I am learning every day by reading the handbook. I'm trying my best, but there's so much to reading there. But yeah, we now have reclining, twisting seats which go in any direction we like. I was a complete and utter idiot the other day. People were saying, oh, you should have some paper down while using that super glue, Dan. I didn't, and, well, Mazzy says I've done this. I thought it was already there, I'll be honest. But I have, it looks like I've got super glue on the table. Can't get it off. Now, I've looked on the internet and it says try using some nail polish remover. Now, I might try that. I'll have to speak to Mazzy. But the problem is it going to then mark the table? Is it going to corrode into the table or something? So it's a possibility. It's not the end of the world. You know, we're still alive. And his van hasn't blown up. But I'd rather it not be on there. Gutted about that. I can give you a little update on the North Coast 500. As you can see, all the reds are all the wild camping spots I was telling you about, which I was putting on. I've completed that now. I've gone all the way around. They're done. You see all the blues? That's all possible places to go and visit. So there's tons of things to see. Absolutely tons. And the yellows are stories and tales, things I can tell you along the way. Now the next thing I need to put on there, and I didn't put it in the video of the other day, it's annoyed me, is Brit stops. There's about, I think, 10 Brit stops along that route, but they're not pubs. I think only 3 of them are pubs, unusually. So they need to go on, the campsites need to go on, and that is pretty much finished then. I'd like to quickly thank our new patrons, Rick Mason, Roger Smith, CS, Corey Stansberg, Oliver Richards, Juliet Jones, what a lovely name, Juliet Jones, Tony Lunnan, and Patrick Walsh. Thank you all very, very much. That's as new patrons. What else have I got? I'm just updating you on everything I know. Mazzy's got an appointment date. She's got an appointment on October the 6th or something. It's about 2.5 weeks, 2 weeks. So we can't go on a proper trip until then. But we are thinking of, in the next couple of days, going to the seaside. So we might go to the seaside for a few days. So that's the plans with where we're going. Candy Crush is becoming extremely serious at the moment. Me and Mazzy are neck and neck on level 452 and 451. So I can't be on this video very long because I've got to catch her up. I'm one behind. And I'd like to put it out there, I mentioned it in another video about what apps I use for travelling and things. Could you guys please put in the comments what apps you use, what apps you find useful. It doesn't even have to be about travel, just any apps which you find very, very useful, which I might find useful. Because I love apps, I'm in love with apps, I'm always in the app store. Anything which might help me in life, please put it down in the comments. I'd love to know all your app favourites. Me and Mazzy have got Mazzy's daughter Jade later on today, so this is why I'm rushing this video and just trying to get something out, because we're going to be busy for the rest of the day. A big congratulations to Martin, you know, the guy who gave us Gothy to take on his travels with us. Martin, the witch and Martin, Dracula. He found a Celtic stater or something the other day, which is like pre-Jesus, before Jesus, a coin. It's really cool. I've always wanted to find one of them, so congratulations, Martin. Right, I think that's it. I think I've completely updated you on everything. Oh, one more little thing. There you go. His tail's back on. Gorilla Glue. Sorted. Told you it'd work. I'll leave it at that. It is just a big update video. I just wanted to get a video up. I hope you understand. It's Sunday. That's when you get the most views. And I didn't want to miss out on the opportunity of getting more views today. So I hope it hasn't bored you all too much. Just a quick update for you. Hopefully back to some proper good videos starting tomorrow. See you later, guys. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.